Hello, welcome back to 10th class English session. A letter to God. We have already discussed who handed over the letter along with the money to Lencho and what was the reaction of Lencho. And we came to know that after getting the letter, Lencho was angry. Why? But why? We don't know. Now, let's know what he did after receiving the letter and the money. Look at your book. Immediately, Lencho went up to the window. Who went up the window? Lencho went up the window to ask for paper and ink. For what? What did Lencho ask for? Lencho asked for paper and ink. On the public writing table, at a bank or at a post office, there is a writing table. That is called a public writing table. Could you understand? On the public writing table, he started to write. Who started to write? Postmaster. Lencho started to write with much recalling of his bro, raising his bro. Look at these are my bros. Lencho started writing at the public table, writing table. Lencho started writing, raising his bro, wrinkling his bro. Caused by the effort he had to make to express, caused that so though raising, Lencho's brows were raised because of his effort. He was writing, he was going to write to God. He was going to reply to God. So, by the effort, he had to make it to express his ideas. So, when he finished writing the letter. Who finished? Lencho finished writing the letter. He went to the window. Who went?
Lencho.
Where? Where did Lencho go? Lencho went to the window. Window to buy a stamp. To buy what?
Stamp.
To buy a stamp. Could understand? After finished, Lencho went to the window to buy a stamp. Which he licked. He bought a stamp and licked on his tongue. Could understand? He made the stamp wet with his tongue. With his tongue saliva. With his mouth saliva. Licked. Could understand? Who licked? Lencho. What he licked? What did he lick? He licked the stamp to make it wet. Licked and then affixed to the envelope. Affixed the stamp to the envelope with a blow of his fist. With a blow of his fist. Fist? Could understand? Could understand? What did after bringing the stamp? What did Lencho do? Lencho licked the stamp in order to make it wet. Then affixed it to the envelope with a blow of his fist. Could understand? And the sound came, and the blow of the fist made a sound. Dum. Could understand? And the stamp was affixed. With the blow, the stamp was affixed to the envelope. The moment the letter fell into the mailbox, he dropped the letter in the mailbox. Who dropped the letter? Lencho dropped the letter where?
God.
In the
Mailbox.
mailbox. The postmaster went to open it. Lencho wrote the second letter, dropped into the mailbox. As soon as it was dropped in the mailbox, the postmaster went to open it. It said there was it written. Let's see. God. Hey God. Lencho said, God. Hey God. Of the money that I asked for, Lencho had asked for some money. For only 70 pesos reached me. This was the reason why Lencho got angry. Lencho had asked how many rupees? How many pesos? 100 pesos. Received how many pesos? 70 pesos. So, there was a shortage of 30 pesos. And the shortage of 30 pesos, that 30 pesos made Lencho angry. Could understand the fact? So, send me the rest. Rest means how many? Lencho had asked for 100 pesos. Received 70 pesos. 100 minus 70 is equal to 30 pesos. So the rest amount is 30 pesos. So Lencho has written, hey God, send me the rest. That means the other 30 pesos. Since I need it very much. Could understand? Could understand? Understand? Got it? What happened? So, but don't send it to me this time. Lencho instructed God not to send him through the mail because the post office employees are a bunch of crooks.